Considering that now we are beyond the initial AI hype, it seems to be a good time to reflect on where we are and where we are going from here. Why does everything look the same? Isn't it strange? Before starting, I want to clarify that by AI, I mean the new generation of AI models, usually called Generative AI or GenAI for short, which are multi-layer neural networks that are able to read, analyze, and generate text, images, audio, among others. My motivation for making this video is that I see two types of people these days, roughly speaking, with a little bit of exaggeration. The people that are all in for AI and think that it will change everything overnight. Some may even think that artificial general intelligence AGI is just around the corner. However, the paradox is that if you step out of the tech bubble, it looks like everything's the same. For example, how businesses work, how banks work, how telecom works. They all look the same. This makes the way to talk about the second group, which is the people who are rather oblivious to the AI hype. If you ask them, some may mention some applications such as email writing or improved Alexa, but they don't see it as life-changing. So what's the catch? What's happening? Who is right? This is my take. It looks like we're in a coyote off the cliff situation. The changes have happened, but they are not visible to us yet. We have created hardware and software that is able to read millions of articles and books, find exactly what we ask about, and even create PowerPoint slides based on them. The reason that we are not seeing the changes is that the foundations have been built, but the applications are yet to come. The tools are not as easy to use and ubiquitous, so currently mostly knowledge workers, such as academics, use them to find the information that they need or write their first drafts. Or software developers use coding assistants, such as GitHub Copilot. However, I don't think this phase is gonna last long, as the race has already begun. Here are a few examples. Tech companies are working hard to build their data centers. We already see the effects of this first phase. Nvidia's sales and the stock price have gone through the roof due to the high demand. Soon, if not already, other companies will start making more AI chips. For example, Google or AMD would be some of those companies. Therefore, the AI hardware scarcity should improve. The remaining challenge is energy consumption, which needs further research and improvement, but it's not a showstopper. In addition to hardware, we need the availability of the models as a service to accelerate the creation of value-added tools. This is already being done too. For example, OpenAI provides its own API. Other companies are also providing interesting products. For example, Amazon is adding a new service called Bedrock to its AWS cloud services. It allows you to select your AI model and hardware and build your own application in a per-pay-use manner, using these underlying tools and services. And as their price decreases, we should soon see higher level services becoming available to more users and companies. It has been a year or two since the availability of ChatGPT, and many companies are hard at work to bring new products into the market. We had 6 months to a year of experimentation. Now real products are being made, and we should see them very soon to find which one succeeds and which one fails. Lastly, for the AI to work best, especially as an assistant, it needs to be integrated into the workflow of the user. This is also happening as we speak. One of the most prominent examples of it is Apple Intelligence, which is coming out later this year. It is important in the sense that it will integrate with the actual flow of the users, and its availability to a large user base through iPhones and MacBooks makes it even more impactful. It may even gain access to health information through Apple Watch at one point, which can even provide health insights. In summary, where we are in the AI transformation journey is an interesting place. The tech is there, but the applications or their adoption are yet to be seen. You can think of these moments as 2005 for smartphones, where we had all the tools and even devices, but not many people used them. They had a niche market until the introduction of iPhone and Android, which led to their widespread use in a few years. Please let me know in the comments below if you agree or disagree, or if you have a different take on the situation. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you found it useful, and consider subscribing if you are interested in more detailed tech talks and want to accompany me in this exciting journey.